Alright, I'm in the process of breaking off this water pump due to the fact that it's just kind of seized onto those bolts, those studs, and I'm having problems getting these off too. Those came off pretty easy though. Got a new one, so might as well break it off. Alright, I think we're about there. I think these will come out, but okay. Yeah, these did come out, they're just stuck in here. Like all that banging on it sure did help. Yeah, you can tell this. Hopefully this is all that was wrong. Maybe they stopped using it after they realized that the water pump was no good. That would be the best scenario. Hope I didn't get too much of the stuff in there. Maybe I'll use a vacuum cleaner in there or something. I don't know, maybe so I'm gonna finish probably just banging that off unless it will unless I can get it to ease off. But with these old tractors, you know, you just gotta factor in that aluminum is gonna be seized around those bolts, so you don't break these studs off and stuff. These two were the hardest ones to get out. I just went in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out until. Then again, if you got a brand new pump, you might as well just break the old one off instead of causing problems on it. Then all these hoses are going to have to be replaced. It's no good. So look at that. And this is a pretty high pressure bypass. Worked on not a Massey Ferguson, I can't remember, whatever it was, but this is whole bypass. Look at that. Reports were that this hadn't been run in a while. I don't quite know what that one goes to.